Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech with Diwana, your DevOps learning hub. Before we create our first pod in Kubernetes, we need to learn one simple but powerful thing, that is a YAML. What is a YAML? YAML is not a programming language, it is a data language. It tells a Kubernetes what to create, not a how to create. YAML structure. Every Kubernetes YAML file has four main sections: API version, kind, metadata, and spec. API version tells Kubernetes which API groups and version to use. Kind define what type of object you want to create, like a pod, service, or deployment. Metadata define an object's identity, like a name, label, and namespace. A spec is the main identity, where you define how your object behaves. To master YAML, you only need to know three block types. One is a mapping, second is a sequence, and third is a nested. Before you write your first YAML, you remember these golden rules. Let's read one complete YAML file together. You now understand actually how a YAML works inside a Kubernetes cluster. In the next video, we will write a first pod YAML and deploy it live in our cluster. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech with Diwana, because our Kubernetes 0 to Hero series is just begun. So please hit a like button and subscribe to Tech with Diwana. Let's meet you in a next video.